guys. I appreciate it. We'll roll the dice for what box? Top 1, 2, 3, bottom 4, 5, 6. Top box. Top box is going to be 19. The next one we break is 38. Boy, 38 is heavy. 38 feels like it's got a pair of skates in it. Zibanejad? When did we pull Zibanejad? I don't even remember pulling it, brother. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Marky P, close your eyes, Mark. We got an autograph puck for Nashville, Pimp Daddy, Roman Josi for the Preds. Fanatics certified. Fanatics always has the cleanest, prettiest surface on the pucks. They're nice and clean all the time. Official game puck. And next up, Elias Pettersson, 16 by 20. Oh, was it really? $16 by 20, Elias Pettersson, Fanatic certified. Sick hit for the Couv. Pretty big one too, 16 by 20. Alrighty, next up. Joey Sakic. See, we've had this certification before, Hockey Inc. Nice Joey Sakic autograph for the Avs. Yeah, they're in Colorado too. I've had these guys before. Yeah, Sakic's sick, bro. Let's see who the team owners are. See if Tex finishes. He's in the studio, I think. Tex is. And looks like Nashville. Hang on one sec. I've got 2 orders. Nashville. Hey, Duke, by the way, I sent you an email, Duke. Can you please check it? All right, let me go to, because I don't know, I can't see the dumb thing here. Let me see what this is. Get Nashville. Okay, Andy, Chicago. I put Canucks, right? Oh, I didn't. My bad. No wonder it's not coming up. Oh my gosh. Come on, Rob. Looks like that's going to be Rory. That is our Muldoon. Canucks. Did you get it, Duke?
Yeah.
You got it okay, Duke? Our Muldoon. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just wasn't sure. Okay, now. Custom Hockey Avalanche. And Avalanche going to Hazy. I didn't know you had the Avs, Hazy. All right, need to recheck Nashville because for some reason it's coming up weird on the search.
Hey, Rob. You ordered 50 cents. Everything's downstairs.
Okay, thank you. All right, that is going to Duke. The Nash. Going to the Duke.